All right, so we are leaving today on our road trip to Illinois, but I want to go ahead and show you, I want to show you all that. I went ahead and made some fruit salads, and we're trying to kind of go as cheap as we can, so we're kind of eating in the room, and we're only eating out once a day, so went ahead and made those, and I just got this in the mail. It is a Scentsy Go, which is great for hotel rooms and things like that, so I'm gonna get this charged up and ready to use. All right, who's ready to go? What about you, Nanny? Nanny, you ready to go?
I am ready to go.
Where are we going?
Are we going to Illinois?
Yep.
New York?
No, we're not going to New York. Chicago. What was that, baby?
Get down.
Go ahead, girl. Go ahead. Get down.
Get down.
Alright, so we are officially on the road. We have been on the road for about 2.5 hours, and we are just outside of Atlanta, thank the Lord. But we are headed to Illinois for Kevin's cousin's wedding, and then we are going to see my little sister in Chicago. So I can't wait to take you with us on our journey. It's going to be so fun. We are obviously road tripping. We did not fly, so there's going to be lots of fun footage in the car, some hotel tours on the way, and a little bit about our trip and how I've made it easier for us traveling with 5 people. So stick around. Alright, we are on day 2 of our trip, and we're hopefully going to be at our destination tonight, which is Illinois, for Kevin's cousin's wedding, and we're really excited. We're going to have dinner with family tonight that we haven't seen since 2014 is the last time we saw everybody. So we're really excited about that. So here we go. Got about 8 hours in front of us. Ready, guys?
Ready.
Yes. Ready? Ready, Nanny?
Ready.
Ready, Bobby? Ready. All right, let's go. All right, so I wanted to show you guys how we did lunch on the road and still were trying to be frugal about it. When we were in the hotel this morning, I made these little meat and cheese wraps. These are just high fiber, gluten-free flour tortillas with cheese and turkey.
Not gluten-free.
Oh, sorry, they're not gluten-free. They're, my bad.
They're high carb. Sorry, low carb.
They are low carb, high fiber tortillas with turkey and cheese. And I put a little cream cheese just to hold everything together. We have some chips, fruit salad, some raisins, and this is mine and Kevin's together. This isn't all what I'm eating, but I'm helping feed him, and then water. And I got these caddies at the Dollar Tree, and each person has one to have their lunch in, and it just goes really great. Just trying to keep organized in the car and not a lot of food everywhere. So that's a little travel tip. We are definitely enjoying using those. So. Are we there yet? Not yet. 2.5 more hours, but we are in Illinois. How you doing, Nanny? How you doing, Lindsay? Good. Where's Bobby? I'm good. All right, day 3. We are heading from our hotel to my in-laws' hotel to go swimming and get ready for the wedding later. And that's about it. Are you so excited?
So excited.
But guess what we did? We did something bad, didn't we?
What did we do?
What did we bring up from Georgia with us?
The heat.
The heat.
And the humidity.
And the humidity. It's supposed to be, it's usually like high in the 80s, right? Here, with what humidity?
Maybe 30, 40%.
30, 40%, which if you live in Georgia, you know it's like a gazillion degrees with a gazillion % humidity. And we are up here this week, and it's supposed to be over 100 with the index, heat index today, and 90 something humidity. Like, this is unheard of. I apologize, people of Illinois, for bringing this to you, but gotta bring the South to town, I guess. Why'd you bring the heat, babe?
Hey, we just gotta let them know what it feels like
coming. Where are the kiddos? Where are the kiddos? I found them, I found them. Are you just floating like little turtles? Alright, we didn't mean for this to happen. This is my father-in-law with the bloody nose. And my poor mom-in-law who doesn't like blood. We can't take us anywhere, huh? Right, babe?
What?
Right? Can't take us anywhere?
Can't take us anywhere.
So, obviously, one of the issues we've been having to deal with on this trip is that when you are trying to conceive, there is a fertile window, and ours has been during this trip, so we have had to be very strategic with that, but we did get a good sign today. Get it to focus. There you go. That means that we did ovulate, which is one of the things that the doctor really wanted to make sure of, which is why we're doing ovulation prediction kits. So now we just wait and see. Dad, there's an alligator behind you. Day number 753. Just kidding. Day number 4? 3.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Sunday, 3. Day number 3 on the road again. We had so much fun at the wedding last night, as you saw in the clips before this. My husband's family is literally like dancing machines. We had so much fun, and this guy got down. So fun. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty out here. What'd you get?
I got the caramel apple pie all in one.
Ooh, Nanny, what did you get?
Coconut cream.
Coconut. There's mine, cherry.
This is the cookie dough.
And Kev got cookie dough. Okay, so we all agree that some hotel rooms are better than others. That is why I'm super excited that I have my Scentsy Go, because, you know, like I said, some are better than others. All right, day 4?
I think 4 or 5, whatever you want to count it.
5, 9. The hotel stay last night was not our favorite. It was
A little rough.
a little rough. But we got coffee and positive attitudes. And now we are heading to Chicago. Oops, sorry about the lighting. Chicago. Sorry guys, hold on, there he goes. We're heading to Chicago to see my sister. And I cannot wait. I'm going to squeeze her head off. So I'm very excited to see her. All right, y'all ready to go?
Ready?
Yes.
Ready. All right, so we are at the Hampton Inn. This is the second to last hotel we're staying at. And this room is super nice. I thought I would show you guys how we fit 5 people, 5 adults. Well, 3 adults and 2 teenagers in a room. So there's this bar area with coffee, and then refrigerator, microwave, and a sink. And then you go in, and there's Nanny, beautiful Nanny, sitting at the desk here. And this is also a table because we have been packing a lot of our lunches and sandwiches, so this would be a great place to eat at. And then there's a couch area that folds out, so one of them can sleep there. There's a comfy chair. This chair folds out. And then we got the TV. We've got Bobby that's bouncing. So we have 2 beds. Whoa! With style. That's hilarious. So like Kevin and I will sleep in one, Nanny will sleep in one. And then in here we have the bathroom, and then you have the closet. And this bathroom is actually really great because if someone wants to wash their face or brush their teeth and somebody's in the shower or going to the bathroom, they can do it separate. So that is so handy when you have this many people. So you have that, and then you have in here the tub and the toilet. So that is our room tour. All right, so we got these bars from the Hampton Inn, and tell them what they are.
What's yours? Mine is bacon and Belgian milk chocolate.
Trade.
Belgian dark chocolate and blueberry.
All right, so blueberry and bacon flavored.
Ooh, milk chocolate, dark chocolate.
Oh, that's why he didn't want it.
That's why he switched.
All right, so who's gonna go first?
I want to go first.
Okay, Bobby's going first.
Bacon's more weird.
Oh wow.
What's it smell like?
A lot. There's a lot of blueberry in here.
Oh gosh, does it smell like super bacony?
Oh, you want to trade?
Well, y'all should probably both try both.
We will.
Okay, I'll step off a little. Oh, look at that.
Oh my goodness.
So it's like, hold on, let me focus on it. Uh-oh, wait, up. There you go. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, mine's the same.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna get like 3 cheers. Oh, come on.
Too much.
Okay.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh goodness.
Oh, it actually got bacon bits.
Oh, it's got bacon bits inside of it? Let me see if I can get it to focus on it. Let's see. Hold on. So that one has bacon bits in it.
Oh my gosh, it smells smoky. Smell it.
Oh goodness. How is it?
So good.
Mine's good. I think you should still try this one, but
All right, switch off. How is the blueberry one good?
The moment you realize you didn't really need any color you want. You're going to feel great about your color choice. That's
Oh, so you like the blueberry one better, Bobs?
I love blueberry.
You do love blueberry. What do you think about the bacon, Kev?
I don't get a whole lot of bacon out of it. The chocolate is delicious, but I just don't get a whole lot of bacon.
All right, so on the count of 3, tell me which one you like the best. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Blueberry.
Ha! All right, blueberry's the winner. Just hanging at the pool with some of my favorite people. Hey, Nanny. Did you forget your bikini at home? Did you forget your bikini at home? Oh man, next time. What day we're on?
Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I think it's supposed to be 5.
Day 5. Day 5. And we are heading into Chicago today to go visit the Bean and to go to Navy Pier and to spend some time with my sister and my precious little sweet chunky cheek nephews. and spend the day in Chicago. So that's where we're headed now. And I don't know if y'all know this about me, but traffic absolutely scares the living crap out of me. I don't drive in big cities. Kevin does all the driving because people are crazy and it's scary. Right, babe?
That's right, babe.
But you got this.
We got this.
So let's go to Chicago. What was that, Bobby?
Can you see it on the screen?
Yeah. What was the other one you were doing?
Here we go. You gotta back up. Oh, wow. Here, land it over here. Stopping and then heading home, but I do have to say that I am very, very excited to be back in the land of the pines and sweet tea and bulldogs
And Coke.
and Coca-Cola, yes, and Coca-Cola. So here we go on the way home. Bobby's way back there. Alright, here we go. Let me be the one to show. Yes! I'm the one who wants to be with you. Deep inside, I hope you'll feel it too.
I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for traveling with us to Chicago. We hope to give you many more videos in the future, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to follow us here at the Hebert House. God bless.